Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. Today we are going to look at Sweet Sparkle. This is a monthly subscription box with like beauty, makeup, that kind of stuff. It comes from the United States. The price for this was £19.87 and that price can actually fluctuate just a tiny weeny bit, but that is everything. That's your taxes and delivery and all that good stuff. Just before I get into the unboxing though, I would very much like to ask if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel. Just hit that button down below. We do all kinds of unboxings on this channel and I'm sure you would love it. So give me a try. Okay, so let's have a look in here. There are our little products there. Okie dokie, so the first item I do see is a cucumber sheet mask. This is well, it's made in Korea. It's calm and cooling. I do like cucumber. I've got like makeup wipes in the cucumber and I do find them quite refreshing. So this is definitely something that I will definitely use. Although those of you that know, I'm not one for sheet masks, but I really ought to get into them now that I'm getting old. So that's the first product. Second we have, this is a spray set and go. This is by J.Cat, I think, J.Cat. It's a makeup setting spray. It's got aloe vera in it. Let's spray it in, make sure it doesn't. Okay, so, whoa. That's very wet. Comes out quite, okay, I just feel like I've had a bucket of water thrown over my face. If nothing, it's refreshing. So when it's very hot, I would definitely reach for this. It's gorgeous. And it smells delightful too. Okay, I like that. Next we have Dome Beauty Eye Gel. The colour here is Star Ruby. So, sorry, it looks like this in the box. It feels like jelly. Oh, hang on, maybe I've not put enough on. Ooh. I don't know, so I'm kind of wiping it on my hand. There's nothing, but if you look at my finger, it's there. So I'm not quite sure why that's not transferring. It's just not moving onto my hand at all. So I don't know about this one. Oh, it's Illuminating Shadow Mousse. Okay. Then we have a little lipstick. This is again is by J.Cat. Okay, so it's quite nudie. Oh, it's quite pinky actually. Ow, that's that one. Okay, well, I mean, it's a lip gloss. What more can I say? And final item here we have, oh, this is so cute. What is it now? This is a Petite Bunny gloss bar. Oh, okay. All right. That's cute. I like that. Oh, there's no colour to it whatsoever. No colour at all. So, okay. Mixed feelings about this box. I can see myself using that for sure. Definitely will give that a go. That's cute. Not sure about that. And this is a lip gloss. Nothing that's sort of potentially brilliant about that. You know, I've got thousands and hundreds of lip glosses, so a little bit okay, no surprises in that box, so I might be a little bit disappointed. I think I might give this subscription box one more go and then I may look to cancelling it and start looking for things in the UK again. Okay, so if you like this video and you like unboxings and different unboxings of clothing and makeup, beauty, that kind of thing, don't forget, please subscribe, hit that button down below. I would really appreciate it. And until I speak again in the next video, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Take care. Bye. Mwah. Bye.